Good morning, good evening, and good night. Wherever you are in the world watching, welcome to Sonia's Creative Kitchen. For today, guys, I am going to do some steamed fish, so come along with me. Let me show you how it's done. Right here, we have the star of the show, which is our snapper. We have some sweet pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, good old okra, onion, we have corn, we have pumpkin, carrots, we have some scallion, thyme. Right here we have some butter, coconut milk, Maggi all-purpose seasoning. We have some Maggi fish seasoning and little bit of black pepper. We have pimento, that's my favorite spice. We have bami and we have water crackers. So stay tuned, guys, and watch the process. So now, guys, I am going to get my fish cleaned up. This fish is already clean, but to ensure there is no more scale, I'm going to run my knife over it. We don't want to eat scale. I'm going to add some lemon. This is to cut the rawness, guys. So now I'm going to go ahead and pat them dry. Now, guys, I am going to get my fish seasoned. So now I'm going to make two. The reason for this, guys, to make sure that my fish is properly seasoned and I can get the season down into the flesh of the fish. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my fish seasoning. Maggi all-purpose. Season everywhere. Oh. Right in there. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. Make two. Now I get both of my fish well seasoned. I'm going to set it aside, leave it to marinate for a little bit, and then I'm going to get started on my vegetables. So guys, now I'm going to go ahead and peel my pumpkin. Now, guys, I'm gonna get started on my corn. And my carrots. Get started on my carrots. Now guys, I'm going to get started on my okra. Now guys, this is my onion. Get it all cleaned up. I hope I don't cry on camera. I don't like to cut onion on camera. My bell pepper or sweet pepper. You know we Jamaican say it already. Good old sweet pepper. And get everything all chopped up nicely. up now. So now I am going to go ahead and get my steamed fish started. Guys, now I'm gonna get started on my steamed fish. So I'm gonna turn my stove on. Add in my butter to saute all my seasoning first. When you saute the seasoning, it brings out the flavor in everything. I'm going to go ahead and add in my garlic. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my carrot. Guys, look at this. Everything looks so beautiful. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my onion. All of my onions. I am big on flavors. Some of my bell sweet peppers. Some thyme. Scallion. Look how beautiful this looks, guys. And it smells amazing. And you know, I am an allspice girl, so I have to have this in there. Pimento. So guys, I am going to go ahead now, add in some of my pumpkin, and I'm going to blend some. Look how beautiful this looks, and it smells amazing. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and cover it for a little bit and go ahead on my pumpkin. Look at this, guys. Everything smells so good. Everything. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my pumpkin. Look at this, guys. Look how this looks amazing. Look how amazing this looks, guys. Looks amazing. Now I'm gonna go in and add my coconut milk. This smells so good. Look at all these vegetables. Look at this color. Turn my stove up a little bit. So guys, I'm going to leave it to come to a boil, so stay tuned and watch the process.
Much later.
Welcome back, guys. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It smells. I know the neighbors smell this. I know. So now guys, I'm going to add a little of Maggi all-purpose seasoning and a pinch of black pepper. So now guys, I am going to go ahead and add in my fish. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Looks so good. Smell is amazing. Smell is amazing, guys. So now I'm going to add my corn and okra. There is no steamed fish without okra. Remember me tell you. Look at this, guys. Everything smells so good. Smell amazing, guys. Look at this, guys. Everything to steam. I'm telling you, this smells so good. Not just look good, but it smells amazing. So now guys, I am going to cover and leave it to steam. So stay tuned and watch the process.
1,000 years later.
Check in, guys. Look at my fish. Look at my steamed fish. Now I'm gonna add a few crackers. Look at this, guys. It smells amazing. everything cooked to perfection. You smell the Scotch bonnet pepper, the pimento, scallion and thyme, garlic. You don't want nothing better than this. Trust me. Looks mouth watering. So guys, I'm gonna allow it to steam for a few more minutes. The next time you see me, I am going to share my dinner. Get some of the pumpkin. Wow. More of the bami. Welcome back, guys. Look at this. I am going to taste and give you my honest opinion. First, I'm going to try the bami.
Into the mouth. Nice.
Oh my goodness. I'm going to go ahead and try a little bit of my fish. Me not lie, guys. The thing a shot. Tastes good. Now I'm gonna taste my crackers. Yo. This is so good. The flavors are right on point. Everything tastes good. We're going for some more of the fish. Look at this guy. Perfect bite. And the bami suck up all of the goodness. This is so good. This tastes so good. Tastes amazing. Now I'm gonna try my corn. Everything on point, guys. Guys, we have made it to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend fi tell a friend. And remember say, we say Jamaica See you on the next video. Bye.